Okay guys, we're gonna be doing some car sounds. I love cars, here Hot Wheels. So we got two different toilet paper thingies right here to do the car sounds. So this is one of my new, it's a Camaro Mustang funny car. Beautiful. The Supra, I think this is a Supra, I don't know, it's either a Miata, or Supra. And we got the Tesla Model 3 and Hot Wheels, Mercedes AMG, and I forgot what this one is. It's like a Vendora something. Okay, first, toilet paper rolls versus mouth. So, okay, first mouth. Okay, now toilet paper roll. What do you think is the best? And time for the daddy noise. This is a big one. And let's do them all together. You put this one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Nissan GTR 35. Okay, we try to do Charge Your Hellcat. Charge Your Hellcat. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and please subscribe because we only have 11 subscribers. Supra!